You know what's funny? Most of us don't struggle to make music. We struggle to finish music. Because making a 8-bar loop, that's easy. But turning it into a full track, that's where the struggle begins. And the crazy part is, I actually think whether you should force yourself to finish a track or not depend entirely where you are in your journey as a music producer. Because sometimes forcing yourself finishing tracks is exactly what you need, and sometimes it's completely pointless. I think almost every producer goes through this phase. And you can usually recognize it pretty easily because the creative process always looks the same. You start a track super inspired, everything flows naturally. You add drums, bass line, atmosphere, maybe a cool synth, and for a moment you feel amazing. But then you reach that point where the loops need to become an actual track. And that's where the problem starts. Suddenly you don't know where to go next. The arrangement feels impossible, nothing feels good enough anymore, and to compensate for that feeling, you start adding more stuff, more percussion, more melody, more pads, more FX, until eventually you basically have two tracks fighting each other inside the same project. And deep down, you already know the truth, you're stuck. Not because you lack creativity, but because you never learn how to move from loop to arrangement. And this is the real problem with the 8-bar loop cycle. Every time you get stuck, you escape. You open a new project, get a dopamine hit from a fresh idea, then get stuck again. But because you always restart, you never really actually learn how to overcome the difficult part. And unfortunately, the difficult part is the skill. And a lot of time we are not just trying to make a track, we are trying to make the perfect track. The track that's gonna reach charts, the life-changing track. And on top of that, we compare our unfinished track to a fully mastered professional release, which is actually a double punishment. Your expectation becomes so insanely high that the moment the track stops sounding professional, you panic. This one is simple, you never finish a track, how are you supposed to know how to finish a track? Arrangement is a skill, transition is a skill, energy flow is a skill, tension and release is a skill, but if every project dies at the loop stage or even at the beginning of the arrangement, you actually never practice those skills, which means every new track becomes another impossible puzzle. This one used to happen to me all the time. You start a track, everything goes great, sometimes you even feel confident, then suddenly the arrangements start to feel repetitive, the energy doesn't work like you imagine, and you start doubting the idea. Then fear appears, and this fear slowly becomes anxiety. You start thinking, here we go again, another unfinished project, and eventually you give up. Not necessarily because the idea was bad, but because you no longer believe that you could finish it. And again, this used to happen all the time to me. And honestly, this is why I do think beginner producer and intermediate producer should force themselves to finish track. Even if the track suck, even if you're never gonna release it, even if nobody's gonna hear it. Because at this stage, the goal is not to create a masterpiece. The goal is to practice finishing. That's it. You need practice arrangement, practice problem solving. You need experience getting from idea to finish track. And something really important happens when you start to force yourself finishing track. You start to build confidence. Because the more track you finish, the more your brain realizes, oh, I can actually finish track. And that changes everything psychologically. You stop producing with fear, you stop panicking every time the arrangement gets difficult, because now you already solved this problem before. And honestly, one of the best ways to learn arrangements is simply copy arrangement idea from track you love. Not creatively copy the music itself, but study structure, tension, transition, pacing, energy movement. If you finish 20 tracks inspired by 20 different arrangements, you now have 20 arrangement philosophy in your brain. And inside every arrangement, there is hundreds of smaller ideas. Breakdown timing and idea, build up, automation tricks, drum variation, tension builder, call and response. That's knowledge compound over time. This is how producers slowly stop feeling lost during arrangement. And honestly, one of the biggest mindset shifts for me personally was realizing this. Not every track needs to become art. Some tracks are just training, experience. And that's okay. The moment you remove the pressure of this need to be released, this need to blow up, this need to impress people, music becomes fun again. Now you're just practicing the craft, learning, experimenting, having fun making music, and ironically, that's usually when the best tracks start appearing naturally. Now here's where my opinion changed. Because once you become confident finishing track, you actually don't need to finish every track. I actually don't think you should finish every track. And this is important. Once you know how to arrange a track, once you know how to finish a track, you can start to be a little bit more selective. Because let's be honest, not all ideas are good. Some tracks genuinely don't have enough emotional energy to carry a full arrangement, and forcing yourself finishing weak ideas can become a waste of time and creative energy. But there is a huge difference between abandoning a track because the idea is weak and abandoning a track because you lack confidence and skill to finish it. And that's the real question. And I think most producers confuse these two things. So, should you finish every track you start? My answer is, if you struggle finishing track, yes. Force yourself to finish them, even backtrack, even like painful track, even track you will never release or share to anyone, because every track you gonna finish is gonna teach you something, especially when using referencing. And more importantly, every track you finish builds confidence, and eventually you will reach a point where you're no longer scared of arrangement or finishing a track, and that's when your relationship with making music change. You stop asking, can I finish this? And start asking, is this idea really worth finishing? And honestly, that's probably the moment you really stop to being trapped in this 8 bars loop. Thank you very much for watching. Hope this video helped, and see you next time. Bye bye.